You're riding at daytime and you want to be seen. And it can be seen at distance. The lumens, the radius, the light. G2FS LITH is the name of the company. It comes with an online manual shown here on the phone in a number of languages too. So what we have here in the box as we open up, inside the small box you find the brackets for the back saddle, bracket for the back luggage rack, the hardware, the lighting system, and the USB-C charging cable. On the unit is the charging door, USB-C. Let's charge. In the supply cable and plug in the USB-C. And we are charging with the green indicator over here. When completed charge, either the light will stay solid or go out. We have a saddle and we have a luggage rack with existing lights. It's best to show close up on an angle. It locks into the system and twists. It could go either way on there. It is best to put it on the way that you can hit the on and off button. In the SOS mode, it is a double press on the switch. The lights will blink. SOS. SOS is 3 quick and 3 slow. This is just a quick flash. Placing on the saddle, we have 2 bolts that go in to lock in to keep secured onto the bolt with an optional Phillips screwdriver as you lock down. And we're going to put this onto the saddle. Not all bike seats have the proper saddle fit, but this is where we go and lock down. On the luggage area, you have the bracket that will go here. If it does not fit, you have tie wraps for security, bolts and nuts. Simply take the bolt, put the head inside to the embedded part on each of the pieces that fits to the appropriate holes and lock down with a nut. Optional crescent wrench and Phillips screwdriver is required. For our demonstration purposes, we have white outsides, red inside. They'll light up red and yellow and red on the middle. It is for fog, foul weather, and more. It has a memory recall. It is a long press of over a second, 1/1002. The lights flash in amber on the outer edge, and they go through the ambers first. The second press is red, a solid red. A third press is a rapid red flash. Then the next press is going to be a solid red light all around with little dots and a large dash area. Then the next press is breathing. It goes in and out in full red, while the outers do a solid and the inners do a little off and on as it breathes. Then the next one is a solid red with the outside yellow amber lights blinking. And then it goes into a repeat mode of cycles. Long press to shut off, double press for SOS, and SOS is like so. If you triple press, it just basically goes into the beginning of the lights. If we long press, and we double press, and we long press off, and we long press back on, it remembers where it left off. As we go over each of the modes, as we turn the unit on, it's a 1.5 second press. And we have the fog lights blinking. They run up to 10 hours in this mode. The next mode is a steady side light. And this will run up to 13 hours. Side rapid flash is the next mode. This is the full runtime of 24 hours. Next mode should be full light all around, 5.5 hours of runtime. And the next one is a breathing mode. All the lights will breathe, 14 hours of runtime. As we go into next mode, It is a solid with the side blinkers. Check online for further details about the runtime. And then we have the side blinkers without the center. And then the solid light, we're just going right through each individual one all over again. A quick charge of 2.5 hours to reach 100%. So if you're looking for a light with the memory recall of where you left off, it's a simple long press to shut off and a simple long press of 1.5 seconds to turn on.